Okay, so today I'm gonna pick, this is the bike lock I used today. It's a really cheap one from Tesco's. I bought it in. So as you can see, it still works. It's a bit stiff. Not very nice, but today I'm gonna use the pick gun, which I'm sure most of you have seen in the films these days. Often done. So I just apply the tension to the bottom, and hopefully this should open quite quickly. There we go, and that's it. Somebody in my bike. Oh, it's not opening. Quite sure it's on. Oh, there you go. Cool. So, not much fun though, is it? So I'll try and pick it just using normal picking. See, obviously if you want a quick, then the lockpick gun might be your choice, but let's just try and pick it with my favourite hook. And in we go. So that was quite quick as well. Again, you get what you pay for with locks. Let's try one more method. So let's try something like try it like this. I think this is called a worm. So this you just get a bit manic with it. Oh, love it, love it. Right, okay, so there you go. So that method was just breaking it with a worm. The second one, I picked it each individual pin. And the first, everybody's favourite, the gun. Well, okay, thank you.